I wanted to congratulate each one of these authors. I've had my first experience to look at these books, and I think you should be so proud of what you've accomplished in writing your thoughts down and encouraging other children to do the same. Read, maybe write their own book in the future. So keep up the good work.
My dream was to write, basically. It was my wish for my birthday. One of my birthdays, I don't remember what one.
Yeah.
It was to publish. A book.
We're going to help that dream come true.
Yeah.
Cause you did that. Stop fronting. You did that. Cause you did that.
You did that. Cause you did that. Stop fronting. You did that. Cause you did that. I said, woo. You did that. Nah, for nothing, man. You did that.
I'm Marianne Jensen, the first place winner of the 2022 Awesome Young Authors Awards. I love writing, reading, and celebrating literary creativity. My award-winning book, S'mores, is the 4th book in my Sundance Spring series. All my books emphasize the importance of friendship, learning how to fit in, and that magic can happen when we work together and believe in one another. In this book, the main character, Janessa, has to stand up for what's right in order to save her town. Through her journey, she realizes that persistence pays off. Just like Janessa, you can stand up for what you believe in. Never stop doing what you love, and never stop pursuing your dreams. I'm not just a 15-year-old author, I'm also an entrepreneur. Please support me in my dreams by purchasing my books on my website, www.booksbymarianne.com, and following me on my Instagram, @booksbymarianne. Shine on!
This is my book called Alicia's Dream, and the purpose of this book is to help inspire and motivate other young girls while taking them down my journey.
This is so amazing.